is a great time to get outside and enjoy some cooler weather than we've had, but still hot out there, right?
Yeah, I mean, 92 degrees. We're definitely above our average of 88 at this point in the year, but at least it wasn't so humid. In fact, our dew point temperatures in the 50s, especially noticeable this evening, I thought, at least, as we had some slightly drier air filtering in during the day. And we have another little front actually pushing through toward us at this point from northern Louisiana and Mississippi. Current temperatures, a lot of spots in the 70s, but a few spots still stuck in the 80s south of Lake Pontchartrain, still getting that warmth from the lake. Right now, our winds mainly from the north and the lakefront a bit breezy with 16-mile-per-hour winds there. We have one front, if you can see it, off to the south. That's the one that's already passed through. We have another just to our north, and this one is going to move in with that dry feel continuing tomorrow. Not sure if it's going to be a whole lot drier or less humid than what we had today, but it might be a little bit less humid with those dew point temperatures in the 50s and that relative humidity dropping too. Here's Precision Cast just showing that front very quietly sliding through, won't move through with a lot of fanfare. We will just feel that less humid kind of feel during the day tomorrow especially. Wake up forecast north of the lake, we could see some 60s. South of the lake, lower to middle 70s. And then tomorrow during the day, we'll have that dry feel, again, similar to what we had today or a little bit drier. And highs, I have still about 91, 92 for tomorrow. Lots of sunshine. And as we move into the evening, tomorrow should feel really nice if you're getting together to watch the Saints game with people out and about. Temperatures should be in the 80s by 7 p.m. And after that, of course, we'll be getting towards sunset and then eventually getting into the 70s for those overnight lows. This week, it looks like we have a lot of fluctuation in temperatures, but we're actually just talking about 92 to maybe eventually 89 or so. So there's not really a lot of change coming as we hover near or just above really our average high at this point in the year of 88. Only rain chance looks like maybe Thursday and beyond, maybe a few stray showers, but overall a pretty dry week. Talking about the tropics and getting into a little more detail, we have Nigel, Tropical Storm Nigel, probably will very soon become a hurricane sometime tonight or early tomorrow. A wave that has not even moved out over the ocean yet, now has a medium chance. You can see it here, still over Africa. And then this spot off the coast of the southeast U.S. has a chance of development, a low-end chance in this week, but I was showing you a little bit more about that. First, though, Tropical Storm Nigel moving to the north-northwest, winds at 70 miles per hour, so very close to a Category 1 hurricane now. Forecast to become a major hurricane, but this one will stay out at sea, it looks like, and just move eventually over those cooler waters. Tracking that other wave near Africa, models have been lifting it off to the north and once again getting it to curve north because of the upper pattern here, as opposed to moving all the way to the Caribbean or Gulf of Mexico. And one more look at that model off the southeast coast of the U.S. You can see it's starting to take shape here, bringing some rain maybe to the Carolinas and to the northeast U.S. by next weekend. So interesting to see a lot more activity from the tropics for the east coast with these past systems, Lee and then potentially this one. We made it through Nigel for the name. We're going to be talking about Nigel this week, but the next name would be Ophelia and then Philippe. We've had 14 named storms. That's the average for an entire season. We've already hit that at the end of September. The average at this point in the year is 9 named storms, and last year we had just had 6. Our 7-day forecast shows that rain chance about 20% Thursday, maybe a very slight chance for a shower or two Friday and Saturday. No fall cold air coming in for that first day of fall on Saturday just yet.